Today we're going to show you how to make Play-Doh with just 3 ingredients. You'll see how easy it is. It's the perfect activity to make with the little ones at home. Today we make Play-Doh. Learn with El Gato Rainbow and La Gata Moon. With just 3 ingredients, we will make a perfect Play-Doh. We will need 1 cup of flour, 1/3 of a cup of salt, and half a cup of water. Put all the ingredients in a bowl and mix well. When you can't mix anymore, use your hands to knead the dough. Once it's softer, divide it according to the colors that you want. And make a hole in the center of each bowl to put the food coloring. Knead the dough until it is completely dyed. We can get all the colors that we want by mixing them. Be careful, because it stings a lot, especially the blue one. Look at your paws, Gato Rainbow! It's fine, we can wash our hands later. And now, let's make shapes. I think Gato Rainbow is going to make a sardine. Gato Moon! Since we used ingredients from the kitchen, it's okay, but it's better not to eat this Play-Doh. Remember, the flour is not cooked. Gato Rainbow, now that I see you making your sardine out of Play-Doh, I'm thinking that one day I'll make a tutorial on how to make it as a real stuffed animal, so everybody can have one. But for now, let's see how to make it with Play-Doh. We can do all the shapes that we want, and even use rollers or cutters, whatever you have at home. Well, maybe Gato Rainbow and Gata Moon went too far. You can keep your Play-Doh in a plastic bag and close it well. It will last a long time. See you next week. Bye!